Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Nissan's 1997 to 2004 Frontier. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the bed bolts and bushings from the side of the vehicle you're working on, and lift the bed up off the frame rail to provide you with more cutting and welding clearance. Remove or relocate any lines or power harnesses from the work area. Step 3. Begin cutting away the mount. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. The rear leaf spring mount is reinforced with an extra layer of steel. Notch the raised plate just enough so that the bed mount can sit flush with the frame rail. Coat the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Hold the new mount up to the frame while using the outline of the factory mount to help with alignment. Tack weld the part and once again verify the part's alignment. Remove any potential fire hazards from the work area. Following proper welding procedures, weld 100% around all edges of the mount. Step 5. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your bed mount bolts and bushings, and you're done.